Okay, so let's have a look at what I found in my drawers. So first of all, I found some camping knives and forks. Now I do go camping regularly, but they don't need to be kept in the kitchen. So I'm going to put it in this container, which is my elsewhere container. So rather than go and put things away as I go, I'm going to put them all in here and put them away at the end. It is quicker to do that. I have a funnel. Now I actually found two and I hardly ever use them, so I'm going to get rid of one of those, so I will donate this. This is a grapefruit cutter, lovely. A client actually gave it to me when we were decluttering her home. I love grapefruit, but I haven't used it. I've got the instructions here, so I will pass it on, donate it to somebody who can use it. I had in my top drawer just an old cheese container that I kept my corn on the cob holder thingies in. This is a better container to keep it in, so I will throw this one out. Didn't even know I had this bottle opener. Don't need it. I'll donate it. I've got two things to sharpen my knives with. I only need one. This is the one I use. I will donate this one. I recently bought in the winter I bought a, a gas lighter. For some reason I kept the instructions. They're not that hard to use. I'll throw that away. I also have a whole heap of chopsticks. I do love Chinese and I love eating with chopsticks, but I have some much nicer ones, so these will be donated. Then I found a whole heap of little things. Key, I actually don't know what this is for, so I will need to find out. These, I don't know what these are for either, so I will be throwing them out because they don't look important. A battery, I have a battery holder for all my batteries, so that will go in there. I'll put that in elsewhere. Cute little whisk, never use it. Don't think anyone else will use it, so I will actually throw this one out. Two more keys. I know what this one's for. It's for my bike, so I will be keeping hold of that. I will be putting it with my key, and I need to find out what this one's for. And my poor little garage door opener broke, but this is unfixable, so I will throw these out. And lastly, a whole heap of menus that I know I don't use. So I kept some, and in here I did see some light and easy stuff which I have used in the past, and I'm thinking, is it a mistake? With it just being Christmas, am I going to need to be buying that? But I don't think I do, so I'll be throwing these out as well. And there is a little hook that I haven't used and I want to use. It's looking old and grotty. I don't think it will actually stick anymore. It's going in the bin. So I will just show you the drawers now, but I will have to undo the camera, so I'll be back in a minute.